So I was out in the garage just test firing this on semi, see if I could recreate the semi issue, and I got 10 shots within, and I didn't see the issue come up, but something else did, and the gun wouldn't fire anymore. I tried a different battery, wouldn't fire. Tried disconnecting the MOSFET wires and so forth and reconnecting, and I tried different motors to it, and this wouldn't fire. And then I knew, okay, so I tried a multimeter on the gate wires. The resistance was a little high, and it still seemed like to me that would still fire, so I kept trying and wouldn't fire. I switched motors, wouldn't fire, nothing would work. And then I knew down here, I was like, well, maybe it has something to do with this, because I hate these. This right here, these come up and they have to apply pressure to this contact to get these gate wires to connect, otherwise it won't even fire. So as I slide this over, I really don't feel any resistance. I mean, you can just tell from me sliding it, there's really no resistance. It's very light. So sure enough, I put pressure down right here and the gun started firing. And I hate these because they eventually these start to bend away from this contact, and that doesn't connect very well. This is supposed to be like a safety measure, so that the contacts are not connected and you cannot fire. However, I've seen many guns that I've worked on that contact goes away from. So what I can do momentarily is bend these up, but eventually that issue might come back, and I don't want that to ever come back. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and connect these 2 points right here and remove this contact and double check everything, make sure that that's fine to do, because I don't want this to come back while you're firing the gun and then, you know, it doesn't fire simply because of this issue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now to show that it works, you can see I took the 2 plates, thinned them out, pushed them together, and then soldered it. So you can see I did that. And then I removed the contact off here, so we're going to go ahead and reinstall this. And move it on here, and you can see there is no touching the plate. Okay, so that metal shouldn't be touching anything. I'm going to put some, I guess I won't put anything over it. It shouldn't touch anything. It sends a very low current anyways, and there's a fuse, so everything's good. Okay, so at this point, it's good to check what's going on. So we're going to watch over there, kind of back out here. I'm stuck in semi, hold on. I'm in safety. Hard to hold the selector plate and my hand at the same time. Okay, so you see it works, and it works fine. Next question is, does the plate get stuck or anything? Nope, doesn't look like it. So I'll put the gun back together this weekend on tomorrow. I'm going to go out to my grandpa's if I can't get to my friends and test fire this gun for long range, again to make sure that the BBs are feeding fine. So I got that issue solved, and you'll never have to worry about that.